What are you saying? Electric cars are not future? I'll prove you wrong in next 2 minutes. Number 1. Lower running cost. As compared to petrol and diesel cars, electric cars are almost 40 to 50% cheaper. A 200-kilometer trip covered in a petrol or diesel car here in India on an average costs around 1200 to 1500 rupees. While the same trip in an electric vehicle in India can just be covered in 500 to 600 rupees on an average. Number 2. Lower maintenance cost. We all understand that EV batteries are quite large. However, there are less moving parts in it if we compare it to petrol and diesel engines. Petrol and diesel engines require different fancy stuffs like coolant, engine oils, etc., which increases its cost by 25 to 30% if we compare it to an electric vehicle. While on the other hand, electric vehicles are extremely low on maintenance, which makes them a lot of pocket friendly. Number 3, and the most important, electric vehicles are green. While there are threats of increasing global temperatures by 1 to 2% in just next 10 to 20 years, electric vehicles will play a major role to stop it. Electric car gives cleaner environment due to no emission of carbon dioxide while driving. And you know what? One electric car on road can save up to 1.5 million tons of carbon dioxide emission on road while driving. And that is equal to 6 return flights from Delhi to Bombay. There are a lot of excellent electrical vehicle companies doing a great job. However, there's one most top-class brand which is emerging in this field, VinFast. VinFast is bringing best-in-class design, manufacturing, technology with meeting all the safety standards. Their VF8 and VF9 all-electric SUVs have smartest and futuristic technology. No doubt, VinFast and Vietnam are playing a major role in doing good for people, all living beings, and of course for this planet Earth. Go green, go electric.